Jeremiah?
I'm making a jelly sandwich.
Why?
Because it's my appetizer for breakfast.
Now put the knife back in the jelly jar and get some jelly out of there. I want you to see how he does this. That's it. You don't need no more jelly. No, Jeremiah, just spread it around. See you getting it all over the mat, placemat. I'm not cleaning up after you. No more. Now eat it. Ew! Don't do that. Put it in the sink. Now close up the jelly. Now go put it in the refrigerator. What does this look like to you?
I don't know how to put it off my up.
Stop being lazy. Grow your legs. Move. Go eat your stank jelly sandwich. Eat it.
Watch it.
Go eat it. Y'all, look at this Ratchet jelly sandwich.
Hey.
He calls it a jelly sandwich, but a sandwich is two bread put together. It's jelly toast.
Mom called it a jelly sandwich.
No, she don't. I call it jelly sandwich. 'Cause it's Ratchet. Ugh, nobody want to hear you chew.